it's really important to have a dependable, quality coop for your chickens. I've been in farm management as long as I can remember, taking care of horses and chickens and everything in between. But for me, it's a priority to keep my flock safe, and that's why I choose Producers Pride. First, let's make sure we've got all the pieces. Lay everything out and match it with the manual to avoid surprises later. Let's start with the framework. We'll begin by securing the roosting bar holders onto the coop's right panel, back panel, front panel, and left panel using the pre-drilled holes. This is where your chickens can perch. Next, let's place the sliding door onto the front panel. Make sure it's positioned correctly so it moves smoothly. Now, we're putting together the coop's main structure. Attach the right, left, back, and front panels firmly using the provided bolts. Make sure the back panel sits directly above the base. Secure the front panel the same way. Inside the coop, we'll install the tray support bars. These hold the cleaning tray in place. Once those are secured, we slide the tray into the coop from the open door. Makes it easy for maintenance. Time to reinforce the roof. Secure the shoulder and the peak supports using self-tapping screws. This will keep everything sturdy. Then, we place the nesting box floor and divider, making a cozy space for the egg laying. Now, we rest the roosting bars onto the holders we installed earlier. These provide comfortable resting place as your chickens roost at night. Let's attach the pin panels to the coop. Secure the right and left panels first, then install the front panel. This gives your chickens room to roam while staying protected. Next, we install the ramp hooks onto the ramp and then hang it onto the bottom of the front panel. This is how the chickens get in and out of the coop safely and comfortably. Now, we're adding the roof. Secure the shoulder and peak supports from the pin area. Then, place the 4 roof panels one by one. Finally, we install the roof caps for a snug fit and secure the nesting box roof by lifting the rain guard and fastening it in place. And that's it! A sturdy, secure, and comfy home for your chickens. Before you let them in, double check all the screws and bolts and ramp are in place. I recommend Producers Pride Bungalow Coop for a smaller backyard farmer.